In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Visa gift card to Google Pay. This is a handy skill to master, especially if you have gift cards you'd like to use conveniently through Google Pay. Before we dive in, there's something important to note. Most Visa gift cards will be declined by Google Pay unless they are linked to a specific billing name and address. So let's ensure we get this right from the start. First, take a look at the back of your Visa gift card. You'll need to find the issuer's website. This is typically printed on the card, and it could be something like vanillagift.com, giftcards.com, or prepaiddigitalsolutions.com. Once you've located the website, go ahead and log in. This may involve creating an account if you haven't done so already, so be prepared to enter some basic details. After logging in, the next step is to locate the section that might be labeled as Edit Zip Code, Register Card, or Manage Profile. Every issuer's website may be slightly different, but you're essentially looking for the place where you can update your card details. Once you find this section, enter your actual legal name and your home billing address. This step is crucial because Google Pay requires this information to process transactions properly. After entering your details, make sure to save the changes. With that done, it's time to turn our attention to Google Pay. Open your browser and search for Google Wallet. Find the official site and click on it to visit Google Wallet. Once you're on the site, you should see a right sidebar. From there, click on Payment Methods. This is where you can manage all the cards and payment methods linked to your Google Pay account. Next, click Add Payment Method. You'll be prompted with various options, but you'll want to choose New Credit or Debit Card. Here you'll enter the details of your Visa gift card. This includes the card number, your name as registered on the issuer's site, the expiry date, and the security code, often referred to as CVC. Don't forget to include the billing address you used earlier. Once all the information is correctly inputted, click Save. And there you have it, your Visa gift card should now be successfully added to Google Pay. By following these steps, you ensure that you can use your gift card for purchases just like any other debit or credit card. Remember, having your billing address and name correctly linked to the card is key to preventing any issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your Visa gift card with Google Pay.